Hello everyone, welcome to the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we will be knitting this lacy pattern. It seems very simple. The pattern repeat consists of 12 stitches in width and 20 rows in height. I cast on 14 stitches, which means I have 12 stitches inside and 2 edge stitches. This is one repeat, and I knitted 2 rows of stockinette stitch. Slip the edge stitch, then make a yarn over. Yarn away from you, needle towards you, and the next 2 stitches we knit together knitwise. I knit using the grandmother's technique, so I knit the knit stitch through the back loop. After this, we will knit the next stitches knitwise. I have knitted 11 stitches, including this stitch that we created from 2 stitches of the previous row. And we make a purl edge stitch. The second row is a purl row. It is knitted simply according to the pattern. All stitches are purl stitches. I have a purl grandmother's stitch. Here's our yarn over, and we will knit it like this. To create a large hole, through the front loop, in my case, a purl. And this way you will always knit the yarn overs in the purl rows to have holes. The third knit row, slip the edge stitch. Next, we have a stitch over the yarn over. We knit it knitwise, and after this stitch, we make a yarn over. The next 2 stitches are knitted together to the back loop. This means our next hole has shifted 1 stitch to the left. The pattern will continuously shift to the left. Next we knit knitwise. I have knitted 10 stitches together with this stitch, which was created from 2 knit stitches, so after the yarn over, there are 10 stitches and the last edge stitch is a purl. The purl row is also knitted according to the pattern. This is necessary so that we have a large hole here, thus. In the 5th row, we slip the edge stitch, we knit 2 stitches, knitwise. Next, make a yarn over and the following 2. Knit the stitches together through the front. Continue to the end of the row with knit stitches. I have knitted 9 rows afterwards. Yarn over, plus the edge stitch. The 6th purl row follows the pattern with purl stitches. In the 7th row, we slip the edge stitch and knit 3 stitches. Next is a yarn over and 2 stitches together knit through the back loop. Then knit 8 stitches, including this stitch. That is, after the yarn over, 8 stitches, then the edge stitch and a purl. The 8th purl row follows the pattern. In the 9th row, we slip the edge stitch and knit 4 knit stitches. Next, a yarn over and 2 stitches together knit through the back loop. That is, we always make the yarn over afterwards. Of the stitch that is knit over the yarn over from the previous row. And then continue knitting. 7 stitches after the yarn over have been knitted, and a purl stitch. The purl row consists of purls. Now, the 11th row, we slip the edge stitch. It is not counted, it does not enter the total number. Stitches of the report, and then we knit until we have knitted this stitch. That is, the stitch over, the yarn over. After this, we will make the next yarn over here, so that our pattern shifts, and in this way, we will just continue until the desired number of holes, that is 5 stitches. Next, knit stitches and a purl stitch. The 12th row follows the pattern. The 13th row, we slip the edge stitch. Six stitches knit. Yarn over and 2 stitches together, knit through the back loop. 4 knit stitches. And a purl stitch. The wrong side row by pattern. The 15th row, we slip the edge stitch. 7 stitches knit. Then a yarn over and 2 stitches together, knit through the back loop, 3 stitches knit. And the purl edge stitch. The 16th row, by pattern, with purl stitches, the 17th row. The edge stitch, we slip it. Next 8 stitches knit, yarn over. 2 stitches together, knit. Then 2 knit stitches and 1 purl. Purling, the 18th row by pattern. The 19th row has 9 knit stitches plus an edge stitch, yarn over. 2 stitches together, knit through the back loop. 1 knit stitch and the edge stitch. The 20th row purl as usual, that's it. Our height repeat is done. We knitted 20 rows, and the width is 12 stitches. Plus 2 edge stitches for convenience. So we have we knitted 20 rows high, and we got 10 holes. You can change the number of holes. You can make it a little smaller or bigger. And after that, we start to knit the second repeat. But the only thing is, between repeats, I knitted 2 more rows with regular stockinette stitch. That is, the first row will have knit stitches. The second row purls, that's it. Now we can start to knit the second repeat. But I shift each repeat 4 stitches to the left, so each stripe goes a bit to the left. We have here 10 stitches. The last stitch is our last hole. And I knit the edge stitch. Next, 4 knit stitches. This creates 4 holes. We have knitted this. And in the middle of the pattern, we start to knit the next design. We make a yarn over and knit 2 stitches together. Next we continue knitting with knit stitches, that's it. Thus, starting from this hole, we begin to form the second pattern, which will be slightly to the left. I hope everything is clear to you. Here, you basically just need to ensure the correct offset of these patterns. I knitted the height between the patterns for 2 rows. 1 row knit, the second purl. We look and count to ensure we have the same number of stitches in each row. I hope you find this pattern useful. Thank you for your attention. Stay tuned to the channel and see you soon.